Hello viewers, so welcome. Do you know that working out this maths problem requires a very nice trick that most people fail to do? So let's work it out within the shortest time possible. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that you're having. So 6 to the power of m subtract or minus 2 to the power of m is equals to 32. So how do you work out this maths problem? So 6 to the power of m can also be written as 2 multiplied by m. So we can have 2 multiplied by m or 2 multiplied by 3, then into bracket m, then minus 2 to the power of m is equals to 32. So this one is the first step that you are using in working it out. For an example, suppose we have something like x then y to the power of m. So this one now we can work it out by having x xm then y ym. So this one is other ways that we can expand 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of m. So with the application of x to the power of m, y to the power of m, we can now expand 2 multiplied by 3 by now having, here now shall have 2m, then multiply by 3m minus 2m is equals to 32. So in this case, now we shall now have, so let's now factorize it by now checking what is common. So you can see that 2 to the power of m is common. So now we shall have 2 to the power of m, then now into bracket, so 3 to the power of m, then here now minus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 32. So 32 can also be written as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 5. So in this case now, we want to look for a number that when you work out shall now give us the result, that is 2 to the power of 5 or 32. So now we can start the trial. Suppose we have the number, and the number must always be positive. Suppose we have number as 1, so suppose now we now have 1 as the number. So now that will mean that 2 to the power of 1 now shall have 2 to the power of 1, then into bracket, now we shall now have 3 to the power of 1, then minus 1, then close the bracket, is equals to 2 to the power of 5, which now shall be equivalent to 32. So you can still work it out. 2 to the power of 1 is 2, then into bracket 3 to the power of 1, now shall have 3, then minus 1, then into close the bracket, is equals to 2 to the power of 5, which is 32. So here now we shall have 2 into the bracket 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 1. Now the result is 2, which is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So 2 multiplied by 2, the result now shall be 4 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So 4 is not equals to 2 to the power of 5. So meaning that that number, that is 1, is not the correct one. So let's now pick 2. So instead when we pick now 2, so let's now try 2. So now here now we shall have, instead of having 2 to the power of 1, so now we shall have 2 to the power of 2. So now 2 to the power of 2, then into bracket, so now 3 to the power of 2, then minus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 2 now is 4, into bracket 3 to the power of 2 is 9, so 9 minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So when you work it out, 4 into now 9 minus 1 is 8, then is equals to 2 to the power of 5, that is 32. So 4 here now, 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, is equals to 32. So means that we have tried it and it is correct when we say now that the value for m in this case, so m is equals to 2. So if you really loved how we've arrived and work out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of this maths trick. Otherwise, you can enjoy some of other videos that we have uploaded. So also make sure to be one of the members of this community and also support our work. Otherwise, let's stop there and see you in our next video.